I'm going to talk to you about some absolute value application problems. When we do absolute value, generally speaking, no matter what, I'm kind of looking at this general equation. X minus the center, or you might say middle, number, okay, is equal to, and I'm going to say equal because it could be less than, it could be greater than. And over here I'm going to say distance. And I'm running out of room, but distance. Okay? So let's look. I'm going to start with this, x minus. Now, when I look at my absolute value, it goes from 16 all the way to 38. So what number is in the middle? I could count backwards and forwards, backwards, and then forwards, backwards, and forwards, and keep going until I get to the middle. That's perfectly fine. But really what you're finding when you find the number in the middle is the average. So I could also do 38 plus 16, and my average, I divide by 2. This gives me 54 divided by 2, which is 27. So what number's in the middle? 27. Now I'm on the inside, okay? So I have to decide if it's equal to, less than, or greater than. All right. What is my distance from here to here? Well, the distance is 11. Okay, so I know that 11 is going to go over here. But back to greater than, equal to, what's going on? Well, let's look. Is my circle open or is my circle closed? My circle is closed, so I know it's going to be at least equal to. Now, do you see the shaded region in between here? All right, that means that any number could work. Let's take 30, for example. And what's the distance between 27 and 30? It's 3. Is 3 less than the distance of 11 or greater than the distance of 11? It's less than. I also gave the example of, if I'm on the inside, that's less than whatever your distance is. For example, if I was able to fit inside a closet, inside the closet, that means that I am less than the closet. I can't be bigger than the closet or I won't fit in. So if it's on the inside between the two dots, it's going to be less than. So let's look at the next one. The height of a desk must be within 0.1 feet of 3, which inequality below represents all possible heights of the desk. We're talking about a desk. You probably want it to be 3 feet. Now, I can be over 0.1 or under 0.1, which would be either 3.1 or 2.9. So we go back to where we always start. X minus, and what number is in the middle? 3. Already, I can cancel these two out. Now, I want to be within, on the inside. So if I can fit inside of something, am I less than that thing or greater than that thing? Well, I'm less than. I fit inside. So I'm less than, and I need to know the number on the outside. The last number is your distance. And how much could we be over and how much could we be under? By 0.1, 1/10. So let's go back and look at our answers. The answer to the first one would have been D. And the answer to the second one would be B.